The verb, to be, expresses the state of being. The verb, to have, expresses the state of possession. I am in the house.
I have a house. I have 2 brothers.
He is my brother.
But the verb, to have, can also shows an action as a part of expressions. To have breakfast, lunch, dinner.
Is the same as to eat.
To have a bath, a shower.
Is the same as to wash.
To have a break, a party, a picnic. To have a break. To have a party. To have a picnic. To have a good time. To have fun. To have a good time. To have fun.
Compare.
I have a shower in my bathroom. I have a shower every day. The verb have and the verb had got mean the same. The verb have is more formal. The verb had got is more informal. I have 2 brothers. I have got 2 brothers. We can use the verbs have and had got when we express the state of possession. But when we talk about actions, we only use have. We have 2 cars. And we have got 2 cars. But only we have a party every week. The form of the verb to have depends on the person and the number of the subject. I have. You have. We have. You have. They have. He has. She has. It has. I have a dog. You have a cat. We have dogs. They have cats. Houses have roofs. He has a car. Brian has a car. She has a bike. Maria has a bike. A house has a roof. To be, or to have.
Brian is a doctor.
He has a car.
A state, or an action.
I have a sister. I have lunch with her every day. To have, or to have got. I have a car. I have got a car. We have a picnic every Sunday. Have, or has. You have a job, and she has a job. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel.